Alright, so we vacuumed from this side. You can see that we have a little bit of ash that's sucking right up, and you can still see the terracotta color of the chimney flue. We're not really getting any creosote buildup at all. We got a little bit over here where I didn't get the ash, but it comes right off really easily. Just gotta pull my vacuum tube a little shorter. And the cool thing is that all the ash seems to have fallen out on the floor here in these first couple of segments. So there's like almost nothing down there at the other end. We're gonna go open it up. We got it opened up down there, but we're gonna go push the vacuum in from that side too. This is about 14 feet of chimney tile being used as a hollow space, a stratification chamber in the bench, so that the hottest gases come in here at the bottom in this slit over to the left, and the gas rises pretty evenly across the top and heats the top of this chamber, which is the bottom of the top of the bench where people sit. It warms their butts, and then there's a tube down at the other end. The bottom of this black chimney down there sucks the cooler gases off the floor of this stratification chamber and gives us, and then so the heat is pretty much all lost into this room, and warms this room rather than going up the chimney. So we'll keep vacuuming, but I wanted to keep showing you how this is working after about 2 years.